Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is in continuation with my previous video, and in this video we're going to talk about the second type of digital marketing campaign, that is the monetizing campaign. These type of campaigns monetize the existing leads and customers. Once your business becomes well established, one of the important business objective becomes to convert your target audience, that is to increase the sale. Monetizing campaign therefore focus on making profitable sales offer to the prospects or the leads or the customers, and encourage the audience or the customers that you had acquired using your acquisition campaign. Although the monetizing campaigns too can be used to generate leads and customers. Now the key over here is that this campaign is particularly used when you already have existing leads and customers, and now you want to sell off a high priced or a higher range product or the service to these customers. This you will definitely not use at an initial stage where you do not have leads or the customers. Here you may encourage your audience to follow a predefined path of action, such as signing up, subscribing, etc. You need to give an engaging content to your audience. In simple words, they need to be given a solid reason to follow you. Now we are going to discuss the stages that are there in monetizing campaign. Number 1 stage is excite. Monetizing campaigns are targeted to encourage customers to get value for your interactions. These are the people who have trusted you, have bought something from you, or have given time in learning something from you. Stage 2 is ascend the customers. Now monetizing campaign here targets the customers or the audience to bring them from the stage of their current loyalty to a stage where they are ready to buy the products or services which are highly priced or highly complex, or even they are ready to give their extra time to your products or services. Here, the strategy is to give exciting offers to your customers to increase the value of your existing leads and customers. Now we're going to talk about which marketing campaigns can be used to assist in converting your target audience. A. Content marketing. Content marketing is when you create a relevant information about yourself as a brand, your products or the services, or your expertise. Strategy over here is to use keywords that matches your user intent. B is site usability campaign or device compatibility campaign. Now you must have observed that there are certain websites which you can open easily on desktop or laptops, but it becomes very difficult to open the same in your mobile phones, or it may take too much of time, or the navigation becomes very tedious. Here it is important that the message that you share should be clear and concise, and also ensure that your websites are not very confusing, as the audience who are trying to log in may leave it quite early. Number 3 is call to action campaign. These are basically used as a guides or instruction as to what has to be done next by the target audience. So if you're looking for conversions, you can easily place a CTA or the call to action on every page. Thank you.